Hi guys, welcome back to Oliver Fun, and today I'm playing Fly or Die, and I am so powerful right now. Let me go have a little sip. Let me go eat. It's not an efficient way, but it's one of our own. But by doing this, we can save oxygen in the water. So we'll be able to drink it whenever we want. I'm a little bit heavier of a bird, or like a flying bird, or like stuff, flying animals. Okay. Today I'm going to the top of the leaderboard. Yeah. Hey, let me have some. Who's gonna get it first? No. Miranda. Oh, here's another one. Don't mind if I do. Go up. Go away from the Grim Reaper. Hey, get away. To get more health. Tranquility. Yes, Grim Reaper, get up. Oh. Anything like what is not of rate, or actually kind of eat. This is like what they actually eat, actually, guys. 30 and 15, that was so fast to eat it. And now let's go eat these. It used to be so slow to get those, but now it's like the Flash. You know, I take bigger bites. Okay, let's just go have a drink. Hey, let me get away from you. 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 I'm doing my guest. What do you do? If I need some help of getting to the ground, definitely visit bombs with in the air. And we can work together, bros. We can work together, brother. Right, you can do whatever you want. I'm still beating you. I'm laying eggs. Now, we are high in level. Right, let's race! I'm winning! And yeah, I need 50. Eight. Ooh, look at me. I am so big. Okay, it's good I played a little bit off camera when I was not recording, so I could be up to this spot with you guys. Now we fly up so high from the water and so fast. We can't eat those. What a shame. Oh my god. Get away from me. What did he say? Rabbit. Huh? Let me get in. Get into my feast. Get you into my feast. I want to eat the egg. Where's the egg? I can eat snake. Go see that in the tech. We are going so slow, but we can still eat these. 5,250 size I need. Yes, feast. Yes. Not mom. I need to drink water. Ah, that's nice. Wow. Eat. No. Stop poisoning me. Get away from me. Please be water. I am literally dead. I'm dead. Can you see it? Oh my god! Yeah, but shock. You gonna eat this? Did you see me? Did you see me, guys? I was literally an ostrich. A turkey. It doesn't matter.
I've got AHM Home and Contents Insurance. They make getting covered a breeze.
No. Let's go get some crabs. Hey. I need fish and frogs. Fish and frogs. Is there any fish and frogs in here? No. Okay, let's go. Oh, he just drank some water, so he get away from me. This is go. It's oxygen. It's breathing. Yeah, close the edge. The blue. The oxidizer. Ooh. Oh, we can also have our dinner. Yummy yum. Ah, that was tasty. That's a woolly mammoth. Hey. Let's butter on it. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me, man. Okay, I'm talking. Can eat everything. Get away from me. Okay, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Bye.